it. I don't care. Do that.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't even. Софочка, скажи а-а-а. А теперь ур-ур-а-а. Софик, скажи уа-а-а.
Let me hear you say way-ho. I say boom, boom, boom. Then everybody say way-ho. Way-ho. Boom, boom, boom. Let me hear you say way-ho.
What the fuck do you think I'm doing? Making myself a bowl? Christ.
Whisker, found myself a kitty cat couch whisker. Gonna find my purty kitty, gonna stick it on its forehead. Nice. Can't take a shower. I wanna take a shower. Oh, I'm sorry.
Charlie, who said you could do that? Let's go. Get down. Dumb cat. Stupid, sitting without a cushion.
So I have this cat that has a really cute meow. Sophie. Then I have this cat who sounds like she smokes for 30 years. Brina.
So I took a video where I was training Pebbles to jump on my chest, and she started smelling my belly button. But I watched it back and noticed she made that face. What's wrong with my belly button?
This is my favorite dog challenge. Gasp at your dog and see what they do. Gasp dramatically.
Under pressure. I'm smoking.
Ayo, something traumatic happened that changed my life. Check.
Smell like tuna and giddy. My favorite ever.
Oh my God. What is he doing? Oh my God. Spider Kitty.
That's why you have that on. That's why you have that on.
No, wait, hang on, stop. You don't want to do this. Listen, I've been a good boy. I've been a good boy, please. I've been such a good boy. Don't do it. No!
I love you.
What's in your head? In your head? Tell me, tell me, tell me. Hey, hey, hey. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake. I'm so slithery and sneaky because I'm a snake.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Achoo! Achoo!
Hey yo, Cooter. When I say Hillshire, you say Hillshire.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done before.
This one. All right, come on, get it, get it. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Big girl. Wow. 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 Wow.
I just wanna rub off on you. I just wanna rub off on you, babe. Tell me, can I rub off?